That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Catch me in the whip, ride with him. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kent, and I'm back with another video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And for all my old heads, of course, welcome back to the channel. So today, girl, I got all my sisters that are high maintenance, but I know right now it's just we can't be balling. Okay? We ain't got that type of money. So when you want to be high maintenance and you want to be a baddie, but you want a budget, when it comes to that, baby, I'm your girl, okay? Because I'm all about it. I'm a DIY queen down until I just can't do it no more, okay? Here are a couple things that you could do to stay on a budget but still be a baddie, okay? Before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video, of course. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, y'all. I am a girl. I keep my nails done, okay? But I wear press-ons. I'm sorry. I wear press-ons. Yeah. Okay? I prefer the BT Art Box nail press-ons. I have multiple boxes. I have multiple boxes of press-ons, y'all, from BT Art Box. All of these, each box you get 5 palettes. So you can get 2 to 3 wears out of each palette, right? So you can get at least maximum 30 wears out of just this one box, okay? So it's some of these nails I've been had for almost a year now, okay? Get you some press-ons. If you want these, I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as my coupon code for you to get some money off if you want to do the BT Art Box. I also have the Jofe Fashion nails, okay? These are really, really good, and it comes with 320 nails, okay? So multiple wears. I also have a couple of nails from Loveful. Girl, I am a whole press-on girly. Like, I can't tell you the last time I paid to get my nails done. And also, if you just want a girl to just want to go pick you up something, go to your local Walgreens or CVS, girl, and pick you up a box, okay? So doing press-ons is going to save you so much money. Now, with the BT Art Box, it actually comes, you can get the kit. So it comes with like the UV lamp. It comes with the builder gel. It comes with the top coat and the gel glue for you to glue the nails on. You can get the kit. So I think I have 3 kits actually. I have like 2 of the small individual ones that you just put one finger in, and I have an actual kit with the full big UV lamp, and it can get all of my nails at the same time. So what I like to do is, if I really want my nails to stay, and I want to go through that whole entire process, I'll use the gel, the actual gel that comes in the kit. But sometimes I don't have time because it takes you like an hour to do that. If you want something quick and simple, when it comes to the BT Art Box nails, get you some regular glue, okay? So I use the glue from my Loveful nails. You can go to your local Walgreens, CVS. The glue is like $2.99. Get you some glue, okay? Or you can get it from the hair store, anywhere. Get you some regular glue. Glue the press-ons on. Put the top coat on top of the nails, and then put your nails under that UV light. These are going to last you bare minimum 2 weeks, depending on how hard you are on your nails and, you know, all that other good stuff. Bare minimum, they're going to last you 2 weeks. They can last you at least up to a month, depending on how you're prepping your nails and all this different type of stuff. You don't need much, honestly. Like, I literally taught my friend over FaceTime how to do her press-on nails. We sat there and did her press-ons together. Okay? You don't need much. Get you a file, file the nail like your real nail. File it. Do regular maintenance on your nails. So, like, I cut my cuticles. I clip the little sides. I be filing my actual nail. I file my nails down. All of that before I do anything. I dehydrate them with some alcohol. And then I get to doing the glue to press on. Put the top coat on and you good. Okay? It's not rocket science. Get you some press-ons. Save you so much money. It's going to save you so much money. And like I said, if y'all want the BT Art Box ones, I'm going to put that link in my description box as well as the coupon code so you can get some money off of those. But you can get your press-ons anywhere. I used to start with getting mine from like Walgreens or CVS, but I just don't get those anymore because they're not like hard acrylics. You get what I'm saying? Like, they're like flimsy, so they were easier to break. I didn't like that. So I started getting like actual real acrylics. type of press-ons, baby, works wonders. So get you some press-ons, sis. It's gone. I promise you're gonna thank me later. Next, let's get into the hair, okay? For my girlies that don't know how to do hair, I get it. Everybody is not blessed with being able to do their own hair. Everybody is just like not a YouTube university girl. They have to be in somebody's chair. You do not have to be in somebody's chair, okay? If you want to do wigs, you don't have to be paying $300, $400, $500 to get your wig installed. Get you something simple like a glueless wig. Start off with a glueless wig, okay? A regular 4x4. Okay, you can get, I got mine all from like OQQ, Eunice, Arabella. Everybody has them now, okay? You can get you a glueless wig and just put it on. Do the foundation match on the lace. It already come pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's already everything for you. All you got to do is put it on and style it. All you got to do is put it on and style it. And if you actually, because I'm not one of the girls, I have a smaller head. So when I get my glueless wigs, I don't just slide it on and just leave it on like that. I never do that. I always spray it down. And when I spray it down, I just spray it down with some even. Okay, just like I did this one. This is a glueless wig. I just sprayed that little even right there. I just sprayed the little even right there just so it can stick to my skin. And then I take me a band. And yeah, that's it. It's very simple. So get you a glueless wig. If you're not comfortable paying the money for a glueless wig, you know, to be trying to start out, get you a synthetic wig, sis. Like, synthetic wigs actually have really good lace. You just have to really be able to maintain and care for it. But get you a synthetic wig. Like, start off small with stuff like that. If you are not into wigs and you're into more of natural hairstyles or something like that, if you can put your hair in a slick back ponytail or like one of them little slick back buns, baby, you're in the game. If you can do that, you can add a ponytail into it. You get what I'm saying? Like, and you don't have to sew the ponytail into there. Like, it's really simple, honestly. You wash your hair, prep it so that you can press it out. And you're going to press out like the roots with a hot comb and actually press your hair out with an actual flat iron. Baby, get you some even. I like to use even because I got very coarse hair. Or you can get you some Got2b. Baby, slick it back. Some people don't even use that. Some people use like a gel or something and they just slick their hair to the back, baby. Put it in that ponytail. Make your ponytail into a braid. Get you a strip wrap. And you can glue the ponytail into your hair. You can do braided ponytails if you're not into that. You can get some regular braid hair, slick everything to the back, and then just add the braid in or get somebody else to add the braid in. It's actually very simple. Or you can take that same braiding hair and make it into a knot and do you a top knot bun or a low back knot bun. Like, it's so many different things you can do to your hair without having to go sit in somebody's chair and pay thousands of dollars. Okay? Also, you can get clip-ins. Hello, if you have curly hair or straight hair, girl, get you some clip-ins, blend it in, and that's a really, really quick and easy fix, okay? Really, really quick and easy, so you do not have to sit in nobody's chair, okay? Now, when it comes to doing, like, braids and mini twists and stuff like that, okay, if you're not creative, or not creative, but if you're not really a hands-on DIY type of girly that can sit up there and do that, okay, you might gotta go sit in somebody's chair. But like me, I didn't want to pay nobody. What? So I learned how to do braids and mini twists on my own from YouTube and YouTube. And then actually I learned how to do the mini twists from TikTok. So it's not hard, but there are little things that you can do to keep your hair nice and laid, but for a lower price. Because who got $300 and $500 just for you to put the wig on my head? And that's not even including me buying the wig. No, baby. No. I can do it at home. Okay? So those are just some things when it comes down to hair that you can do to keep yourself in a budget and keep yourself very high maintenance at the same time. And keeps you very, very put together. Next, lashes. Now, I don't use lash extensions or lash clusters because I'm very sensitive. I will pry all of that out, but I have used them before. I got some clusters from TikTok, actually, and I just put them on. And they looked really, really good. Like, I had never done lashes before. I actually got some from CVS one time. Never did lashes before, but they looked so freaking good. You can do your own lash clusters. You can learn how to. Some of them, they have the ones that don't even have the glue. Like, It already comes pre-glued. All you gotta do is put it on your eye. It's so simple, y'all. Like, you don't have to sit there and pay somebody $150 to $200 to do your lashes when you can do them at home by yourself. You can either get them off TikTok, or you can go to like your local CVS or Walgreens and get you some lash clusters and do it yourself. Now, use some lash glue when you're going to do these clusters because it's going to help them last a little bit longer. But if you're a little more sensitive, you can use a sensitive type of lash glue. But girl, do them lashes at home. Do them lashes at home. Okay? Stop sitting in the folk chair, paying them all this. Well, I'm not going to say that because everybody trying to get a hustle. But for my girlies that don't got it, yeah, baby, go ahead, wrap it up. Let's do it at the house. And I have so many tutorials, even on my YouTube shorts. If anybody needs any type of help on anything that I'm saying on here, I have YouTube shorts that will help you. Or if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, which that'll be in the description box, I have multiple videos and tutorials on how to do nails, how to do your lashes, your hair, all of that. So that this kind of helps you out some more if you need visuals. Next, let's talk about your eyebrows. So for me, I stopped getting waxes. I started just cleaning up my own eyebrows. And what I like to do is I get one of these little razors and I just, clean up under there, XYZ. I have me some small shear scissors so that when I take my spoolie and I spoolie my eyebrow hairs up, I can go ahead and cut off any excess hair. Okay, I have weirdly shaped eyebrows, so that's why I just stopped getting waxing, because it was just a waste because my eyebrows are so weird. But for my girlies that don't want to be paying to get them waxed, get you a regular razor, okay? Get you a little eyebrow razor and go ahead and do it yourself at the house. If you want a more in-detailed type of video, I can make a in-detail short video so that you guys can see how I clean up my eyebrows. I have done them in my maintenance videos, but I would do one specifically geared toward this if you guys want that, so comment that down below. But clean up your eyebrows at home. If you're a girl that likes to get your eyebrows tinted, okay, go ahead, go to Walmart, they have an actual eyebrow tinting kit, or some people use, it's like a male dyeing kit. I think what the males use to dye either like their eyebrows or their beard or something like that, like you can use that too to tint your own eyebrows and you'll be okay. That way you don't have to pay all the extra money, okay, and you're not coming out of pocket. So learn how to clean your eyebrows up at home and do your eyebrows at home. And if you're into the tinting, go get you an eyebrow tinting kit from your local Walmart and tint your eyebrows. Next, waxes. Now, me personally, every month I pay and go get a wax, like a coochie wax, every time. I'm so sorry. I cannot do my own down there. Everything else I shave. So I shave under my arms, I shave my legs, and I also shave my toe hair, even though it's not a lot of hair. I hate hair, like what? So I be shaving it off. Even if it's 2 little 3 hairs, I'm gonna shave it off, okay? But if you are comfortable waxing your own self, they have wax kits. They have them on Amazon. They have them on TikTok, everywhere. You can get your own wax pot, get your own wax beads, and you can actually wax yourself. I have not tried that. I'm actually kind of scared. Should I try that? Comment that. If y'all think I should try that, I might try it for you. But when it comes to all that body waxing, baby, you don't have to do that. Now, I know some people actually have to get waxes because they can't shave, or some people can't shave, they have to get waxes. You know what I'm saying? Some people, like, they actually can't do either one. So trim her down. You get what I'm saying? Trim her down. Or you can use Nair if you're comfortable doing that. I'm not comfortable doing that. But if you're comfortable doing that, you can use Nair. You can shave her if you're comfortable doing that and you know what you're doing. Or you can pay to get the wax. Or you can wax yourself at home, because that's going to save you $50 plus tip. That's going to save you. Okay, learning how to do your own waxes at home. But me personally, I'm going to pay to go get a wax. Everyone, pay my wax to her good little $60. Get my little wax, because if I do it, I might just take my whole coochie off. So, but that's an option. That's an option for my girlies that love to get a wax, or they love to be clean down there under their arms and their legs and stuff like that. My exception be for her down there. I have to get her wax. But everything else I can do myself, because what? Why am I paying $200 for a full body wax? I can do that at home. So, yeah, when it comes to the waxes, next, doing your pedicures at home, y'all. Okay? You can go to your local Dollar Tree. Get you one of these. They want to, like, the little, I can't take it out. It's one of the little pet egg things that you use to like scratch your feet or whatever, like to get the dead skin off or get your heels, you know, nice and soft. Do it at the house. You can actually sit on the edge of that tub, okay? Don't act like you ain't doing when you was growing up or when you was at your mama's house. Sit on the edge of that tub, put your feet in some hot water. You know, you can add you some Epsom salt or whatever you want to add. But baby, put your feet in the water. Go ahead and soak them for however long until they get soft. And then you can go ahead and do your own feet. You can exfoliate them. You can go in with the pet egg and scrub all the dead skin off and everything. And if you want to do your own toes, you can get press-on toenails. Like BTR Box, they sell the press-on toenails. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Yeah. Anyway, they have like the toenail press-ons. You can do the toenail press-ons if you not one of them girlies that like to polish your own toes or, you know, something like that. Get you some press-on toenails. Or if you do like to go somewhere else and have them to actually do your toes, you could do the pedicure at home. Because the pedicure alone is like $32. So save yourself $32 and just go and get your toes done or get your acrylic nail or whatever the case may be. Get that part actually done. But you can do that whole pedicure at the house. Okay? You ain't got to pay almost $70 to get your feet done. That's crazy. Okay? You can do all that at home. And I know I use this all the time, especially even just after a shower or something like that, or after I take a bath and my feet have been soaking in the water for so long, or like sometimes over time, like a lot of these people, they just want the money, so they don't even be trying to care to get all of the dead skin off your feet and stuff like that. So I end up coming back home and going back over it with this anyway. So I might as well do that part at the house by myself and then just come to you when I need you to do the toes. You get what I'm saying? So you can do your pedicures at home, sis. We ain't got to be paying them folks. You can do it at home. Okay? And if you want to do the press-on toenails, you can do that. If not, and you actually want to go to the salon, you still going to save yourself $32. Lastly, baby, teeth whitening. Okay? I know my dentist, they wanted to charge, I think, $125 for the trays. And then for them to actually do it, I think it was like $400. No. Get you a teeth whitening kit, okay? You go on my TikTok, you'll actually see this in my storefront. Get you a teeth whitening kit, okay? Baby, whiten your teeth. It already come with the UV light and gel pens and all that. You can do all that at home because I know I love to do that, especially when I'm going to go out of town or I'm just doing regular maintenance and I'm like, yeah, it's time for me to whiten my teeth. Baby, I go ahead and get it, okay? Because it's going to say, I'm not going to pay you $400. I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it. So, you can whiten your teeth at home, sister, okay? You can do it at home. And like I said, if y'all want this specific one, it's going to be in my showcase on my TikTok. And all that is in the description box. Okay, you guys. So that's all I have for my Baddie on a Budget tips. If anybody else has any tips or tricks that they use to save a little coin, okay, make sure you comment that in the comment box down below. Like I said, I'm going to put the link to the BTR Box nails in my description box as well as the coupon code so that you guys can shop and get you some money off. This was not a sponsored video. I was just saying because, I mean, I got them on right now. I love using the nails. Period. Like, 30 wears? Yeah. Run me that, okay? And they also, like I said, have the toe press-ons and all that good stuff. So all that's going to be in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys really found you some tips or tricks to help you stay in that budget. Because I'm sorry, I'm not paying $1,000 to $1,500 a month extra on maintenance. When I already pay over $1,000 in rent. Almost $2,000 in bills, period. Who got that? The world we live in, the inflation we got going on. Who got that? Yeah, that's what I thought. So, baby, we're going to wrap it up. So, I hope you guys found some tips. And like I said, if you guys have any other tips to help you stay on a budget or any tricks that you use to help you stay on a budget, make sure you put those in the comments and let's chat about it. Because, yes, I love to hear new things because I might want to try it too, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye!